type of weather is exactly why you need wipers. See that rain coming? Let's get it. Today we're going to be putting some wiper blades onto a 2008 PT Cruiser. So if you want to know what size the wiper blades are for this car, it is 20 and 21. So always know that one size is actually longer than the other. That's just kind of the way they have it, so let's get to it. Now, within the package, usually you get some kind of adapter like this. I never use it myself, never had to need to. Now, here is the wiper blade. Now, let's take a look at it like this. Okay, so the blade, this rubber part is going to be facing out. Then this part right here, the center where you actually hook onto the L hook, has to be like this. The opening is out to the right, and as you can see, the bigger part is facing down. So with that, let me go ahead and bring this to the L hook. All right, and all you're gonna do is simply just slide this up, okay, just like that, and that's it. It clicks right into place. So now I could lay it down and it's right there. Let's do the other one now. All right, Paco, let's show them how to do this wiper, huh? All right, so let's go into the actual passenger side, okay, right there. Okay, so again, I'm gonna lift this up as so, all right, and then I'm going to pull this down. Okay, so you could do it with one hand, just like I did. And let's go ahead and put the other wiper on. Let's go ahead and get to the other wiper. So again, this part right here, we want to have facing to the right. What I mean is the center part, it has the mouth, right? It's facing to the right. And then the longer section is actually on the lower half. The smaller part on the top. And then of course the rubber is going to be on the top. So when you're placing it on this hook, that's what you want to do. Now, of course, you're going to be placing this L hook initially through this hole right here on the left-hand side. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now. All right, should be able to do this with one hand, hopefully. Hopefully I can coordinate myself here, holding the camera on this, okay? And simply, I can just go ahead and pull this up now, okay? Right there, okay? And once it snaps into place, you'll hear a click. You put it down, and now you just replaced your wipers. Now, changing wipers is not a difficult process, but if you just needed a little extra help, wanted to take a look, here it is. Make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe, and share with your friends.